Welcome to the Mosh Posh 2020. Happy New Year. So where do we start? It's a new year and I am going to try and reboot this channel once again. 2019, was it a failure for YouTube? Yeah, pretty much. So exactly what happened in 2019 that caused me to stop producing content? Basically, I took on too much. I thought I could handle all of this work that I had in my head of producing content as far as Instagram posts, website, vlogs, and blogs. So here's 4 formats that I thought I could just kind of get into and, just start churning out content and creating stuff for you guys. But again, taking on too much, and between Instagram, I think was probably the bigger one, Instagram, and having to curate photos consistently and trying to get my photography skill up. So that's kind of what 2019 ended up being, and why a lot of the other stuff took a dive. I was able to consistently post on Instagram every month, 12. It doesn't seem like a lot until you have to curate the stuff, but every other day, if you go look on my Instagram at the Mosh Posh, I curated 12 posts on Instagram every month. Time management is something that I began to learn while creating the collections for Instagram. The second thing was that I was able also to curate a following on Instagram of just under 1,000 followers. Not bad for 1 year. I did in 2019, I built the website also. So I guess that's also a win for 2019. I did do a couple of blogs in there, as well as curate some content for the website. Thing that really came out of it was about time management and how to, curate that time. So for 2020, I decided to restructure the time and try to give YouTube another shot. One thing that I also did in 2019 was, even though I wasn't creating content and posting it online, I never stopped shooting. So I have a lot of content from 2019 that I have to share with you guys for 2020. Places that I've been, things that I've seen, experiences. Yeah, so that'll be some of the things that'll be coming for this new year. And as I restructure YouTube and reboot it, basically, kind of moving a little bit away from Instagram and the collections that I have going on over there. I'll still do them, but I don't think I'm gonna do them in the capacity of every month kind of thing. I'll do a collection and, I'll spread it out over a period of time, because I still do enjoy doing the collections, and I still want that to enable me and help me to further my photography skills. So I definitely don't want to drop that, because you have to keep practicing and getting better at your craft. I am back in 2020, and the goal for 2020 is to post one vlog every week for, right now it's 6 months, but I know it'll keep going on for the year. So one vlog a week for 2020. That should be 52 vlogs or 50-ish. We'll see. I think a week late already, because I've been teaching myself some stuff and how to go about structuring the week along with work, so I can produce the vlogs and make it. You got to make it work for you. So this is what happened, and other creators have been posting, is it feasible to start a YouTube channel in 2020? And I'm thinking a little bit of the same. Is it feasible for me in 2020 to start a YouTube channel and maybe to inspire you to, start your own YouTube channel, or just to inspire you to reach for your own dreams and something that you kind of been sitting on? So hopefully I can inspire you, you can inspire me, and together we can just, there's a term that I'm looking for and I can't remember that term right now. Oh, crush it. We can crush it in 2020 together. So it's the Mosh Posh. My name is Lenar. Good to see you. Glad to meet you. And I'll see you on the next vlog. All right. Peace.